What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jordan. So I'm back again from Flight for Hype, where we talk sneakers right. Today we have an unboxing, but before we get into this, if you're into on feet, releases, hype beast items, even watching challenges, then this might be the channel for you, and consider hitting that subscribe button, because today we have some heat in these boxes and in this bag. And yeah, we are on the road to 400 subscribers. We are almost there, and we cannot do this without you guys. It really does help the channel if you guys like, share, subscribe, and you comment down below. That way more people will be aware of our channel, and we're able to do more things for you guys as well. So without further ado, let's get into this, because we have a Uniqlo bag and we have something in here. If you've watched any of our recent vlogs, then you'll definitely know exactly what these are. I'm excited to have these in hand. I actually know for once what these are. So I have found my new knife so far. It is, well, it's my key. It's got a little Bape MCM keychain on there. So let's start with the t-shirts first. As for Uniqlo, I was in the store today in Square One Mall, and I did see that there was a big stack of them. So I did not get every single t-shirt, considering that I already have a couple of them from the previous drop as well. I just got a little bit more to make sure I had them. Basically the t-shirts that I missed out on. So let's get this away. So the first t-shirt that I do want to show you guys is this green Billie Eilish Murakami t-shirt. I actually really wanted this one because I really dig the color, and it has the Takashi Murakami flowers inside the figure. So I thought this was really cool. As you guys can see the skulls, you can see the flower, you can even see the little mini person there as well. If you're wondering, that these t-shirts do fit true to size. Next, this is a t-shirt that I was kind of hold just because I was like, you know what, this is a really sick graphic and a lot of people will catch on to it. It says Billie Eilish in this t-shirt here, but you see it all has the colorful flowers from the Takashi Murakami brand, and I really think this might resell later in the future. I might think this is the only one that will resell. Not trying to hate, but because this is a collaboration with Billie Eilish and the whole hypebeast world, Takashi Murakami is hype, and because you can't really notice what it says at first, it does say Billie Eilish. I think this t-shirt is going to do the best out of all the other t-shirts that are available. I got an extra large in this one. It's the exact same one, just in case I want to wear it, but I guess like, as you can see, it is kind of big. So I think the sizing on these ones actually kind of fit exactly the same. I don't think that because it's a women's size that it was a little bit smaller. It actually is kind of big. So alright, in the moment we've all been waiting for, let's just check these out. Let's just check these out. Let us do this. What is in this box? What is in this box? Oh, yes, that's what's in this box. Oh my gosh. Oh, I cannot wait. You guys ready? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. And here it comes. Okay, wait. No, it really needs actually. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Oh shit. This is actually very embarrassing. What the heck? Yeah, I actually made this box like the exact length of the box. What the hell, man? Okay. Oh, come on. Push, honey! Push! 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 Oh. Okay, we got that out of the way. Guys, it's time. It's time for the Quantums. So guys, as you can see on the box, it has this gray charcoal print, which basically says QNTM, that stands for Quantum. And we did receive a size 9 in the Yeezy Quantum, and the color code is Barium. Oh my goodness. I actually thought they were gonna cancel these on me, but they didn't. So let's just see what this is. Oh, I can't believe this is in my hand right now. So guys, here it is. We've got the Yeezy Quantum Bariums in hand. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this sneaker is in my hand right now. This was a really hard drop to get. This retailed for around, I think, $330. So this did come down to something around $374, I believe. And that is in Canadian as well. So I did get a 9, and I was told to go true to size. Actually, I really didn't have a say anyways, because I had to cop what I could cop, so you know. So I'm gonna give you guys a detail on these shoes. Let me just pull out this one in the back. So let me just pull this one out too. And I'm gonna put the box just like that. That way it's in the background. Boom! We have the Yeezy Quantum Bariums in hand. I am not letting these go. I've sold so many of my Yeezys and I just regretted it, and this is a pair that I'm definitely not gonna let go. I do have to get used to this sneaker though. I've never seen a sneaker like this in hand, so I'm not gonna say that I'm in love with it, but I just want to say that it's something to get used to, and it does have that new 700 vibe. Let's just get into this because holy, this is absolutely crazy. So let's talk about the heel for a second. You have like this really plasticky material on the back. It's really cool. It does have reflective coating, so we're gonna do a test after as well that these actually flash in the light too, so we're gonna definitely check that out. Apparently the quality control on these pairs wasn't so great, so hopefully both of them light up the way it's supposed to, and if that does, then that's 100% a go. On the back of the heel, it does come with a darker gray, and then you have like a lighter silver gray on the side of the heels, and I'm pretty sure that they also reflect as well. Leading on to the midsole, you do have like this milky white midsole, and you can sort of see through it, but you sort of can't. Also leads up to the toe box. Going down on the bottom of the shoe, you have like this milky beige outsole, and of course you do have the Boost branding and Boost on the bottom. The cool thing about this Boost too, I don't know, it just feels like a little bit more indented, which is cool, and I can really feel the quality of the sneaker. This is actually a really nice quality sneaker. I don't see any flaws or quality control, anything bad about this on this sneaker at all. Let me just check this pair as well. Like, there's no loose threads, there's actually nothing. Like, this is perfect, but we're gonna have to put this to the test. So as you guys can see, let's see. Alright, cool. So both the toe boxes are generally like the same exact height, same exact width, so that's also a good thing as well. Leading onto the side of the shoe, you do have like this TPU type of material. Keep in mind the original Quantums did not have this type of plastic surrounded by the shoe. It was actually a pattern on the Prime Knit. So this is the very first time that they're actually doing this, and here's the dogs again. They keep barking. Come on, man. So next from this angle, I can actually see that there is some 3M threading. I'm pretty sure. I would be kind of cool if this type of material actually glowed up too. We're gonna try to put that to the test as well, but I don't think they do glow, but we're gonna have to see. On the sock line, as you guys can see, it has this type of neoprene material, and if you can tell, it's gonna be very comfortable. Feels really well padded. On the tongue, as you can see, it is that neoprene type of material as well, and it is coated with this type of plastic material that kind of hides the stitching. You can see these little lines here that ride up, that way you don't see the stitching, which is kind of cool. Inside the shoe, it has these two pods where the heel lies. It actually has padding, so that way you have the ultimate comfort on your ankles. Inside the flap, you do see this little cuff. I'm pretty sure this is where you can loop the laces as well, so that way they can lock up a little bit better for ankle support. Keep in mind too, you can play basketball in these shoes, so you're gonna definitely need the support. Coming up from the toe box for the upper, you do have this nice patch of suede that really breaks up the color blocking on the shoe. It's like a dark charcoal gray. Leading up to that, you have like these type of rope laces that come in black, and no, these do not come with any other laces, but it's really nice that they came in black. It really complements the shoe very, very nicely. And I'm going to take out the insole for you guys as well. So as in the insole, you do see Yeezy and Adidas, and then it also has that serial number. It does say the size 8.5 to 9.5, which this is a 9. And of course on the bottom is your standard insole, and it does have the Adidas branded inside as well. Now guys, this is something to look out for, because if you do end up getting a fake pair, or you're looking into buying a new pair, this is something that a lot of pairs may not have. Don't quote me on it, but this is something to look for as well. As you guys can see inside here, it does have that dot. I can literally see a perfect dot that leads into the Boost. So if you guys see this, that's also something out to look for also. And as you can see under the outsole, it's just completely white. I'm just gonna put the flash on right now, and I'm gonna see if these things actually glow. Alright, let's check it out. Let's put this on flash. On the right shoe, as you can see, there's a little splotch that they kind of missed. Doesn't make me too mad, to be honest, because you can only see it when it's flashing, but honestly it's not even that bad compared to seeing other ones that I've seen. There are some pictures that people have that some really don't even glow at the back, so I'm really thankful that it does glow at the back. They actually both glow on the side, so as you can see too, like this type of material does not glow, but it does have the reflective material, and it is very noticeable when you do the flash. So guys, I do want to hear your thoughts and opinions of this shoe. First of all, in the comments down below, do you think these are going to go up in price? Is this a good shoe to resell? Comment down below. Also too, who hit on the Bariums and who didn't? I still want to know if you took an L anyways, because there's always next time. Yeezy does have a lot of shoes coming out. I do encourage you guys that you guys will be able to hit pairs that you really want, but if you do want to get this pair right now, I definitely think this is the best time to get it, just because I feel like a lot of people are going to want them, and the Yeezy, and I feel like the resale value is going to go high really fast. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun unboxing this shoe, because I've been waiting for this shoe ever since it came out. I didn't really think I was going to hit to it, but but I can't have that mentality when we're trying to cop for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you are new, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that way you don't miss anything. Let us know what you'd like to see on our channel, what you don't like to see on the channel, and what you want to see more of on the channel, because we definitely want to grow on YouTube, and the only way we can do that is through your opinions. Your opinions matter, guys, so this is something that we really want to know. That's why we want you guys to drop your comments so that way we know exactly what we can do for you guys. If there's any shoes that you guys have any suggestions on, we will definitely try our best to try to cop them. And keep in mind, sneaker YouTube is kind of hard because sometimes you want to cop the shoes and then you want to keep them, and then it's really hard to let them go. So, but at the end of the day, it's all to fund the channel, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Flight4Hype and Twitter as well. That way you can see our daily lives, and that way you can just be with us on the adventure itself. You know what would really give me a boost? If we could put this on feet. Let's go.
Beats by Esco.